Hare Krishna. Text 41. व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिर् एकेह कुरु नन्दन बहुशाखा ह्यनन्ताश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम्. Meaning, a strong faith that by Krishna consciousness one will be elevated to the highest perfection of life is called Vyavasayatmika, which means intelligence. Faith means unflinching trust in something sublime. When one is engaged in the duties of Krishna consciousness, he need not act in the relationship to the material world with obligations. Fruitive activities are the engagements of one's reactions from past good or bad deeds. When one is awake in Krishna consciousness, he need no longer endeavor for good results in his activities. Vasudeva Sarvam Iti Samahatma Sudurlabha. A person in Krishna consciousness is a rare good soul who knows perfectly that Vasudeva or Krishna is the root of all manifested causes. As by watering the root of a tree, one automatically distributes water to the leaves and branches. So by acting in Krishna consciousness, one can render the highest service to everyone, namely self, family, society, country, humanity, etc. If Krishna is satisfied by one's actions, then everyone will be satisfied. Text 42 and 43. Yamimam pushpitam vacham pravadantya vipaschitaha vedavadaradha partha nanyadasti divadinaha kamatmanasvargapara janma karma bhala prada kriya vishesha bahulam bhogaishwarya gadim prati. Meaning, people in general are not very intelligent. It is stated that anyone desiring elevation to heavenly planets must perform sacrifices, and men with a profound of knowledge think that this is the whole purpose of wisdom. It is very difficult for such inexperienced persons to be situated in the determined action of Krishna conscious. As fools are attached to the flowers of poisonous trees without knowing the results of such attraction, unenlightened men are similarly attracted by such heavenly opulence and the sense of enjoyment therefore. Text 44. Bhogaishwarya prasaktanam tayapahruda chetasam vyavasayatmika buddhi samadhauna vidhiyate. Meaning, samadhi means fixed mind. The Nirukti says, Samyak adhiyate smin atma tattva yatatmyam, which means when the mind is fixed for understanding the self, it is said to be in samadhi. Samadhi is never possible for persons interested in material sense enjoyments and bewildered by such temporary things. They are more or less condemned by the process of material energy. Text 45. त्रैगुण्य विषया वेदा निस्त्रैगुण्यो भवार्जुना निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्थो निर्योगक्षेम आत्मवान्. Meaning, all material activities involve actions and reactions in the three modes of material nature. As long as a material body exists, there are actions and reactions in the material modes. One has to learn tolerance in the face of dualities such as happiness and distress, or cold and warmth. And by tolerating such dualities, become free from anxieties regarding gain and loss. This transcendental position is achieved in full Krishna consciousness when one is fully dependent on the goodwill of Krishna. Hare Krishna.